Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AppSheet for automating business apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type AppSheet and press enter. Click on the official AppSheet website link to access the home page. On the home page, locate the Get Started button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to sign in using a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the instructions to set one up. Once signed in, you will be directed to the AppSheet dashboard. Click on the Pricing tab to view the different subscription plans available. Carefully review the features included in each plan to determine which best suits your business needs. If you chose a free trial, you may need to enter your billing information, even if you won't be charged immediately. Fill in the required fields with your billing information and any additional details requested. Review your selections and the terms of service before proceeding. Once everything is confirmed, click the Start Subscription or Complete Registration button. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Now, return to the AppSheet dashboard to start creating your automated business apps. Familiarize yourself with the interface, exploring different features and tools available. Follow the prompts to begin building your first app based on your specific business requirements. Utilize the resources and tutorials provided within AppSheet to enhance your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.